In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix analog stick drift on PlayStation 5 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your PlayStation 5 controller has started to show signs of stick drift, you can follow the instructions in this video to get it resolved. So, this will usually be attributed to hardware problems because the joystick modules can get dirty and a lot of dust or debris can get caught in them. So the most convenient way to clean them out is going to be using isopropyl alcohol or compressed air. You can choose whichever one you prefer, or you can even use both. So first, if you are using air, get it at an angle and blow air into these small gaps where dust or debris might make its way into the joystick module. So do it all around the joystick area and clear these gaps. Now, after this is done, you can use some Q-tips or cotton swabs dabbed into isopropyl alcohol and gently clear out the area around the joystick. Once again, do it gently. Make sure that you do circular motions around the whole surface area. You can do it over here in these gaps. And after it has been cleared with compressed air and isopropyl alcohol, see if the drift has gone away. If drift is still present, you can oftentimes simply restart the PlayStation 5 or reconnect the controller. So try restarting the PlayStation 5 itself and see if it clears out any sort of temporary glitch that might be affecting the calibration of the controller. And besides this, like I said before, you can forget and then reconnect the controller with a cable or via Bluetooth. So just go into the accessory settings. If it still does not work, then you will most likely have to do some deep cleaning by opening up the controller. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot give you instructions on what to do in that case. You will have to open up the controller, deattach a lot of ribbon cables, and clean it thoroughly. So in this case, if you aren't comfortable, consider taking it to a repair shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix analog stick drift on PlayStation 5 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.